Welcome to Fast Fix. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram pop-ups not showing up. So if you're looking into your profile page on your Instagram, you will be seeing above the profile picture, the pop-up showing right there. It is very important, especially on those on the business account. But how we can fix that? First thing you can do is switch your account into the professional mode. So go over edit profile, and as you can see at the bottom, switch to professional account. So that's probably the one thing that you can do to show the pop-ups on your profile. The next one is update your Instagram. So sometimes your Instagram is outdated, so the pop-ups will not showing on your profile. So search for Instagram right over the search bar, and then if then update shows up, tap on update. And then once you've done, going back to your profile page. Now if the pop-up still not showing, you can restart your phone so it will be fix the issue. That's it. If you find this helpful, don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to the next video.